How to fix Hey Siri not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure Hey Siri is enabled. So open settings on your device and then tap on the Siri option there. And then tap on listen for and make sure Hey Siri is selected. Also make sure the press side button for Siri is toggled on. And also toggle on the toggle button for allow Siri when locked. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then here tap on listen for Siri again and then tap on the Hey Siri option, and you will be required to reset your Siri. So go ahead and reset your Siri, and this will calibrate voice recognition. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you can test your mic, as sometimes the Siri might be able to not hear you properly, so you can try to clean your microphone holes or remove phone case or screen protector, and make sure you are loud enough for Siri to hear. Also, go ahead and open settings and then tap on Bluetooth and toggle off the toggle button for Bluetooth, as sometimes Siri listens through connected earbuds. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as Siri needs internet. See if that fixes your issue yet, or if not, then tap on Siri again in settings and then tap on the language option and then choose the language and accent you actually speak, as sometimes Siri won't understand wrong accent. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor bugs. And once restarted, launch the settings application and tap on general and then on software update, and go ahead and install the latest version of iOS, as it often fixes Siri bugs. In general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings, and then go ahead and set up Siri again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Hey Siri not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.